Hi, I'm Tim Weber. I'm the Vice President of Marketing and Sales for Batesville Products, and this is Tony Stanger. He's our Chief Engineer, and Tony will be demonstrating the tilt pour process for us here today. A major benefit of the tilt pour process is that you control the flow of the metal into the mold as you evacuate the air out of the mold. It's very similar to pouring beer down the center of a glass versus pouring beer down the side of the glass. When you pour beer down the center of the glass, you get a lot of turbulence, and that turbulence shows up in your final casting as porosity and voids, versus when you pour the beer down the side of the glass, in the casting, that'll show up as a much denser product.
I'd like to introduce you to the permanent mold process. Here's the tilt pour permanent mold process, where metal is hand ladled into a closed mold in this position, vertical position, where it's filled up the pour cups. After pour cups are filled, the press is rotated at a predetermined rate, filling up the cavity in a very laminar metal. As the metal runs down the gating system, air is coming out the top of the gating system because it is an impermeable mold. As it goes down, it actually heats the cavities with the coldest at the bottom and the warmest at the top, and it reaches its final fill state. And at this point, it goes through a solidification process. The hydrostatic weight of the metal feeds the casting as it goes from a liquid to a solid. It sits at this position. After complete solidification occurs, the press is rotated back vertical again. And then the press is opened up. After the mold is opened, casting is removed, and the process is repeated again.